Hey guys, welcome to my presentation on autonomous driving. And yeah, my name's Zach Fisher. And so yeah, pretty much over this presentation, I'm just going to be looking at autonomous driving and what is it exactly, how can it affect us, and just how can it help us achieve some sustainable development goals. So yeah, let's get right on into it. So what exactly is autonomous driving? So what the exact definition of autonomous driving is that it's pretty much a vehicle that is able to sense an environment on its own, and then it's able to drive without a human control. So that way, a human can be there in presence or without being there presently. And so it's really cool to see like how this car evolves and like just being able to really look at different situations and sense each environment and go which decision is the best one. So it's supposed to give you the same experience as if you were driving yourself. So it's not to be like, very diversified from maybe like, like where it goes super fast or where it goes super slow, but like just what you would do like with your average speed. And it's supposed to have the same capabilities. It's supposed to go where you're supposed to go. So it's not supposed to get confused if it's on like a dirt road. It's not supposed to get confused if it's like going on a throughout the city or some tough turns. So yeah, so who exactly is going to be using autonomous driving? We look at various first world countries that are mainly going to use this. So definitely companies like shipping companies like FedEx and Amazon would love to be able to use this, and even like different uh, food delivery stuff. So we see sometimes on campuses where this is more going into drones, but we definitely see like how there's able to like be different vehicles that are being able to deliver food. So that goes more into drones, but we can kind of see almost a little bit of a merge there. So it's pretty cool to look at the different environments. And then definitely the government being able to use this for different activities and being able to ship different things. And so, yeah, where can autonomous driving be applied? So there's three main areas: health and well-being, affordable and clean energy, industry innovation, and infrastructure. With health and well-being, it's pretty much the fact that it will just reduce auto accidents and it reduces the stress of like, traffic and stuff like that because traffic will also be much smoother. With affordable and clean energy, most of these cars are electric, so that provides a sustainable way of travel. And then with industry innovation and infrastructure, allows pretty much for innovation anywhere. So like aerodynamics, safety, and just entertainment as well. And so why would why should we use it? So it has definitely strengths with different innovations. Its biggest weakness is the new security of it, and just like being able to figure that out provides a lot of opportunities for different car companies and just being able to figure out what they can do with it. And then the biggest threats are like being able to persuade a customer to use it for the first time and being able to put their full trust in a vehicle that's fully autonomous. And so we can see that there's some development now, and then we see a little bit of it starting to hit the media. But we definitely will not see mass adoption until later on, where it's definitely like we've kind of achieved the environment to be able to for the car to be able to detect what environment it's in and being able to see that. But it doesn't deliver the same feel, or maybe it can't do all of the things that we can do. And so all of the barriers are just public portrayal and just the expertise that's required for it. And so, last but not least, how do we apply it in Sweden? Is definitely with health and well-being, sustainability, and innovation. With there being less auto accidents, we get to identify enablers and barriers of sustainability. With the innovation, we just allow it can be introduced into different industries or different perspectives. So yeah, thank you for watching.